Now that you've established your top 10 clients, those clients that you would love to have more of for your company, the best thing you can do is talk to them. Simple as that. Call them, and I do not mean ask customer support to do it. You, the participants of the workshop, call them. If you, for example, if you are a team of 5, one of the people could be assigned to analyzing the competition, and the remaining 4 should call those top 10 clients. Divide among yourself who to call for whom, etc., etc., and try to gather insight. We are looking for the aha moments. As you see here, we are talking for their biggest pains. We are also thinking of the biggest gains that they had with your product or service. Now, the questions might vary, but so assume the ones that you see over here are our recommendation, like the basic general questions that are a fail-safe for each and every business. But if you have something extra to add, please feel free. It's, as I said, don't be afraid to color outside of the lines when it comes to this workshop. Examples. Do you remember how you found us? So this will be very valuable information for marketing. How did we stand out from the competition? So what made those clients talk to you and finish the transactions with you, not with the competition? Who else was making the decisions with you? So outside of the person that you've been talking to, who else was influencing the decision? That's also very important. If recommending us to a friend, what would you say? Something open-ended, something that will get your recipient, the interviewee, talking. Did we manage to solve any pains? How do you feel you benefit from our work together? Again, we're looking for the value that we bring. What do you like most about us? Something open-ended, why not? Where can we improve? Again, maybe there are areas that we should be we focus on, and anything you would like to say. Again, something open-ended that might get the interviewee talking. But if you have any other specific questions, something that you feel will be important in regards to your product or service, as I said, feel free to ask. Just don't make the interview too long, because it will be just tiring for your recipient. And the person that will remain should analyze the competition. So I would say pick 2 of your strongest competitors and pick those 2 competitors together, and I'll assign one person to find out what is unique about this particular company. What do we think they are best at? What do we think that we are worst at? And what do we think we managed to solve on the same level? Also, one very important insight: what do we think we know about their target persona? So looking at their website, looking at their marketing activities, how do they target their persona? Try to figure this out and get some insight before we move on to the next step. And the next step will be the workshop itself.